Hello, welcome to our Dell 11 3100 2-in-1 palm rest replacement tutorial. To get started today, you'll need a few tools: a spudger, manual screwdriver, and a static mat. Step 1. Loosen the 9 bottom cover screws. The screws themselves stay in the bottom cover. Step 2. Carefully pry up the bottom cover. Step 3. Disconnect the battery cable. Step 4. Unscrew the LVDS retaining plate and set it aside. Step 5. Disconnect the LVDS cable. Step 6. Disconnect the speakers. Step 7. Disconnect the keyboard ribbon. Step 8. Disconnect the touchpad ribbon. Step 9. Disconnect the 2 data ribbons. Step 10. Disconnect the USBC power cable. Take note, the cable itself is held to the unit with a small amount of adhesive. Step 11. Unscrew the Wi-Fi retaining plate and set it aside. Step 12. Disconnect the 2 Wi-Fi cables. Step 13. Disconnect the sensor cable. Step 14. Disconnect the world-facing camera cable. Step 15. Remove the 4 motherboard screws. Step 16. Carefully remove the motherboard. Step 17. Remove the 3 battery screws. Step 18. Peel back the adhesive strip. Step 19. Carefully remove the battery. Step 20. Remove the 4 daughterboard screws. Step 21. Carefully remove the daughterboard. Step 22. Unscrew the singular world-facing camera screw. Step 23. Remove the world-facing camera cable. Step 24. Peel back the adhesive strip holding the Wi-Fi cables to the unit. Step 25. Peel back the adhesive strip holding the sensor cable to the unit. Step 26. Remove the 6 hinge screws, 3 on each hinge. Step 27. Gently lift the palm rest to correctly position the hinges for removal. Step 28. Remove the palm rest assembly. Step 29. Position the replacement palm rest into the hinge mounts and snap it into place. Step 30. While holding the palm rest against the hinges, fold the unit back to its previous position. Step 31. Reinstall the 6 hinge screws, 3 on each hinge. Step 32. Reinstall the world-facing camera. Step 33. Reinstall the singular world-facing camera screw. Step 34. Replace the adhesive strip holding the sensor cable to the unit. Step 35. Replace the adhesive strip holding the Wi-Fi cables to the unit. Step 36. Gently reposition the daughterboard. Step 37. Reinstall the 4 daughterboard screws. Step 38. Reposition the battery. Step 39. Replace the adhesive strip over the battery. Step 40. Reinstall the 3 battery screws. Step 41. Carefully reposition the motherboard. Step 42. Reinstall the 4 motherboard screws. Step 43. Reconnect the world-facing camera cable. Step 44. Reconnect the sensor cable. Step 45. Reconnect the 2 Wi-Fi cables. Step 46. Reinstall the Wi-Fi retaining plate and tighten the screw. Step 47. Reconnect the USBC power cable. Step 48. Reconnect the 2 data ribbons. Step 49. Reconnect the touchpad ribbon. Step 50. Reconnect the keyboard ribbon. Step 51. Reconnect the speakers. Step 52, reconnect the LVDS cable. Step 53, reinstall the LVDS retaining plate and tighten the screw. Step 54, reconnect the battery cable. Step 55, ensure all of the various components and cables are reinstalled correctly. Step 56, replace the bottom cover. Step 57, power on the unit to verify the repair. Step 58, power off the unit. Step 59, tighten the 9 bottom cover screws. And now your repair is complete. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have any questions or need further information, we would always love to hear from you. You can contact us directly via our website at agpartseducation.com.